Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is my very first ever vlog, and we're going to travel from JFK to Bali, Indonesia. So sit back and enjoy. Ready? Ready? A little 24-hour flight. So for this trip, we are flying Qatar Airways. When we got to JFK, it was a very quick process. We returned our rental car, checked our bags with no problems, and went straight to our gates, and boarding pretty much started right away. We had no free time in the airport to grab any kind of like extra snacks or anything like that. I think I like the stuff that Turkish Airlines gave me better, but we'll see what else Qatar has to offer, I guess. And this was also my boyfriend's first international flight, but not only just international, but 24 hours worth of flying, like always to other world. So he did really good, but he was a little, freaked out in the beginning. Now, I will say that I did enjoy the food a little better on Qatar Airlines than what I did with Turkish Airlines. We pretty much was eating chicken and rice the entire time, but the chicken was always very flavorful and the rice was steamed really, really well, so I enjoyed that. Had to get my little playtime in the bathroom mirror. For breakfast, we did like this pancakes with this custard sauce. The pancakes was really good. I don't do too much dairy, so I couldn't eat that cream sauce that came with the pancakes. So we have finished the first leg of our flight. We are now in Qatar, getting ready to board our second part of the flight, which is another 9.5 hours. And then when we get off of that flight, we will be in Bali. So hopefully boarding goes fast for this. I am tired and I'm ready to check into my hotel. Now, and I would just like to let everybody know that the Qatar airport was really large. There was one like little train or shuttle that took us between the first set of terminals. But even once you got off of that shuttle, like the walk in between the different terminal gates was extremely long. They did actually offer the free carts there for your luggage and everything, so that definitely made it better. But be prepared to walk if you have to fly or transfer over in that time. So after walking forever, we finally made it to our next gate. Ready for the second half? Jim, ready for the second half of your flight? You ready for the second half of your flight?
Oh.
So for the first part of the flight, I did get lucky enough to have the window seat. So I pretty much slept the entire first part of the flight. So on this second part, which was only 9.5 hours, I was woke pretty much the entire time. I watched movies nonstop, ate a bunch of candy, and ate all of the airplane food that I could possibly eat. Also, when you're flying Qatar Airlines, you do get unlimited beverages. So I was drinking mimosas the entire way from New York to Bali. I was feeling good. That's the finally hot here. So we ended up landing in Bali around 10:30 at night. I had already had like a prearranged private driver to take us to our first resort, but it still took about an hour plus for us to get to the airport, as far as getting our currency exchange and waiting for the driver to actually pull up to pick us up. So our first accommodations from our Bali vacation was at the Comrade Bali Resort. Again, like I said, when we arrived, it was like 11 o'clock at night, so it was super dark. But make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of my Bali series so you can see our resort and our excursions.